Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to check remaining internal storage on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, by knowing how much storage is left, you can manage your apps and files more effectively. You can decide which apps to delete or move to an SD card, and which files to backup or remove. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Firstly, enter to the settings menu on your device. Once there, continue by scrolling down until you find and select the storage option. Upon entering the storage settings, allow a brief moment for the system to conduct its analysis, which will provide you with comprehensive insight into the utilization of your device internal storage. This analysis includes details breakdown of the storage space occupied by various categories such as applications, image, videos, and other files. By regularly monitoring the remaining internal storage usage, you can effectively manage and optimize storage space on your device, ensuring optimal performance and avoiding issues related to storage capacity limitation. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to check remaining internal storage on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.